This stop is Alder Road, Gateway Church. This stop. Next stop, Alder Road, McDonald's. Oh no, Alder Road, Parade. Then it's Alder Road, McDonald's. This stop is Alder Road, Parade. (161750) U2. This stop is Alder Road, Parade. Stop, Alder Road, McDonald's. Alder Road, Parade. This stop is Alder. Next stop, Alder Road, McDonald's. There's McDonald's in Spa. We're now in Alder Hills. There's McDonald's. Next stop, Alder Road, Sainsbury's. Ooh, queuing traffic. We're going to go towards Wallistown. That's where Bournemouth University Fern Barrow campus is. Sainsbury's. Steady, steady. Oh God, there's a wasp. Ah, looks like the wasp has hitched the ride. This stop is Alder Road, Sainsbury's. Okay. Bloxworth Road roundabout. Oh. Bournemouth, Wallistown.
Next stop, Langside Avenue.
Langside Avenue. Oof. Don't know why I chose to come this way, but look at it. Traffic's holding up.